Hey there, friend. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to explore the world of self-love. Feel free to grab a pen and paper or just listen along. I will repeat each affirmation twice. These affirmations are designed to uplift and empower you. I love myself unconditionally. I love myself unconditionally. I respect and honor my unique journey. I respect and honor my unique journey. My worth is inherent. I don't need validation from others. My worth is inherent. I don't need validation from others. I embrace my flaws. They make me beautifully human. I embrace my flaws. They make me beautifully human. My body is a vessel of love and strength. My body is a vessel of love and strength. I trust my intuition. It's my inner compass. I trust my intuition. It's my inner compass. I release self-criticism and welcome self-compassion. I release self-criticism and welcome self-compassion. I am deserving of happiness and abundance. I am deserving of happiness and abundance. I forgive myself for past mistakes. They shaped my growth. I forgive myself for past mistakes. They shaped my growth. I am a masterpiece in progress. I am a masterpiece in progress. I radiate love and positivity wherever I go. I radiate love and positivity wherever I go. I am enough just as I am. I am enough, just as I am. My heart is a sanctuary of compassion. My heart is a sanctuary of compassion. I attract loving relationships into my life. I attract loving relationships into my life. I release old patterns that no longer serve me. I release old patterns that no longer serve me. I am worthy of self-care and nourishment. I am worthy of self-care and nourishment. Every day, I grow stronger and more resilient. Every day, I grow stronger and more resilient. I celebrate my achievements, big and small. I celebrate my achievements, big and small. I am a magnet for abundance and joy. I am a magnet for abundance and joy. I trust the timing of my life. I trust the timing of my life. Thank you so much for joining me today. Remember, dear friend, that you are worthy of love, kindness, and all the good things that life has to offer. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, keep shining, keep loving, and keep being you. Take care.